Hi, welcome back to the channel. We'll be using this simple question on parallelogram to further understand coordinate geometry. Our question says P at -1 and 4, Q at 2, 3, R at x and y, S -2 and 3 are the vertex of a parallelogram. We should find the value of x and y. Now, if this is my parallelogram, such that I have P at -1 and 4, Q at 2 and 3, I have R at x and y, and finally we have S at -2 and 3. For the parallelogram, it's such that the diagonals of the parallelogram intersect at the midpoint of the diagonals. So, if this is the midpoint of this diagonal, let's call this T. We're saying that point T, having coordinates x and y, is such that SQ over 2 will be equals to PR over 2. So that point T now will be the same thing as -2 plus 2 over 2, which is the x value, and the y value 3 plus 3 over 2 from the XQ will be the same thing as my point of -1 plus x over 2 and my y plus 4 over 2. So that my -2 plus 2, that's 0, over 2, that's 0, and here is 3 plus 3 over 2, that's 6 over 2, which is 3 from the x coordinate, will be the same thing as -1 plus x over 2 -1 plus x over 2 and y plus 4 over 2. So that for my x values, I'm saying that 0 is equals to -1 plus x over 2, which implies that -1 plus x is equals to 0, then x will be equals to -1, and y plus 4 over 2, which is equals to 3, so that y plus 4 will be equals to 6, and obviously y will be the same thing as 6 minus 4, so that y is equals to 2. So that the coordinate of the vertex x, or the coordinate of the vertex r, will be the same thing as -1, this plus 1, -1 moves to the other side to become plus 1, will be the same thing as plus 1 and plus 2 and plus 2 respectively. With this, I hope you understand how I went about finding the coordinate at r. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.